Hello, I welcome you to the weekly weather discussion program of India Meteorological Department. I am Monica Sharma, Scientist D, Cyclone Warning Division. I'll be discussing with you the weather realized during the last week and the forecast for next 2 weeks. So coming to the realized weather during last week, you see the map on the extreme right. The major parts of the central India and the southwest India, they received large excess or excess rainfall or normal rainfall. These blue and green colored regions, they received normal rainfall or large excess and excess rainfall. And the red and the yellow colored regions, they received the deficient and the large deficient rainfall. So if you see, excess rainfall was received over central India and adjoining East India and Southwest India, and deficient rainfall was observed over the Northwest India, Northeast India and Tamil Nadu region. And country as a whole, if you see, received 30% above normal rainfall. Coming to the rainfall, monsoon seasonal rainfall till 14th September over the country as a whole. If you see, this is the time series from 1st June to 14th September, and the red line, it indicates the normal rainfall over the region based on the data during 1971 to 2020. And in the month of September, if you see, the rainfall was more or less normal and above normal over the country. And all subdivisions, if you see the map towards the right, all subdivisions except the Indo-Gangetic plains, they received excess rainfall or normal rainfall. The worst affected states were Punjab, Uttar Pradesh, Bihar, Jharkhand, Gangetic West Bengal, Nagaland, Manipur, Mizoram and Tripura. And considering the subdivision-wise seasonal rainfall for the Northwest India region, if you see, this black line is the normal and this red line represents your departure. So departure for the Northwest India, it was departure was about -6%. For the East and the Northeast India, if you see, the departure is -17%. So this region is the worst affected region. And Central India, if you see, there is positive departure. That means the rainfall was normal or above normal, +19%. And if you see the Southern Peninsular region, the departure is +32%. That is the Southern Peninsular region. It received above average rainfall, more than excess. And coming to the main weather systems during 9 September to 14 September, the monsoon trough, it was lying to the south of its normal position, and as a result, the rainfall activity was more over the central parts of India. And in addition to that, a low pressure area formed, cyclonic circulation formed over the East Central Bay of Bengal on 7th of September, and it gradually moved west-northwestwards and it concentrated into a low pressure area over the West Central Bay of Bengal and into a depression over south coastal Odisha on 11th of September. It moved across South Odisha and South Chhattisgarh, and it weakened into a well-marked low pressure area over southeast Madhya Pradesh. And since then, it is maintaining its intensity of well-marked low pressure area, and currently it is lying over northwest Madhya Pradesh, and it is likely to recurve northeastwards towards East Uttar Pradesh during next 72 hours. And next is the current situation about the weather systems on 15th of September. So this is your monsoon trough. Monsoon trough is passing through the well-marked low pressure area to northwest Bay of Bengal. and there is a western disturbance lying near 27 degree north and 70 degree east. And under the influence of this approaching western disturbance, the well-marked low pressure area over northwest Madhya Pradesh is likely to recurve. Then coming to the expected weather during next 5 days, because of the western disturbance and the well-marked low pressure area over the northwest Madhya Pradesh, we are expecting heavy to very heavy rainfall and thunderstorm activity over Uttarakhand and Uttar Pradesh during 15th to 17th of September, and over West Madhya Pradesh on 15th. Heavy to very heavy rainfall and extremely heavy rainfall is also expected over Uttarakhand and West Uttar Pradesh on 17th. Isolated heavy rainfall is expected over East Madhya Pradesh on 15th. And coming to other places, isolated heavy rainfall is expected over South Haryana and East Rajasthan on 15th of September. And regarding Saurashtra and Kutch, we are expecting isolated heavy rainfall on 15th. Then over Bihar, Sub-Himalayan West Bengal, Sikkim and Gujarat, we are expecting isolated heavy rainfall on 15th and 16th. And on Odisha, isolated heavy rainfall is expected on 18th and 19th. And over the Ghat areas of Madhya Pradesh and Konkan and Goa during 15th and 15th to 17th. We are also expecting isolated heavy rainfall over Gujarat state on 15th and over Madhya Pradesh, Madhya Maharashtra, Konkan and Goa on 15th and 16th. Isolated heavy rainfall and thunderstorm and lightning is also expected over northeastern states of Arunachal Pradesh, Assam, Meghalaya, Nagaland, Manipur, Mizoram and Tripura on 15th and 16th. And as a result of this rainfall activity, we have given orange alert for the states of Madhya Pradesh, Uttar Pradesh, Uttarakhand, Gujarat, Vidarbha, on 15th. Then orange alert is also given for Uttarakhand region and Uttar Pradesh on 16th and 17th. And yellow alert is given for major parts of East India and Northeast India on 15th and 16th. And over Odisha region, Odisha on 18th and 19th, 17th, 18th and 19th. Associated impact with these systems will be there is expected localized flooding of roads, waterlogging in low-lying areas and closure of underpasses, mainly in urban areas of the regions of Uttarakhand, West Uttar Pradesh, Gujarat state, Madhya Pradesh, then Madhya Maharashtra, Konkan and Goa on the dates during 15th to 17th. And we are expecting occasional reduction in visibility due to heavy rainfall over these areas. There might be disruption of traffic. There might be damage to Kacha roads and possibility of damage to vulnerable structure. Then we are expecting localized landslides or mudslides, damage to horticulture and standing crops, and it may lead to riverine flooding in some river catchments. So for that, you are requested to visit the website of Central Water Commission. And with respect to all this, you are requested to check for traffic congestion on your route before leaving for your destination. Follow traffic advisories, if any, issued in this regard. And you should avoid going to the areas that face waterlogging problems very often. Then with respect to withdrawal of southwest monsoon, the criteria fixed is that we should not attempt withdrawal prior to 1st of September, and after 1st September, if over the northwest part of India, we expect cessation of rainfall activity continuously for next 5 days, and if there is establishment of an anticyclonic circulation in the lower troposphere over the region, or there is considerable reduction in moisture content. So consider this figure. Currently, we are expecting cyclonic circulation over the north and the adjoining central Bay of Bengal around 18th of September, and it is likely to move towards northwest India during subsequent 5 days. And as a result, there will be enhanced rainfall activity over the central India and the northwest India. And so conditions are not suitable for withdrawal of southwest monsoon. However, for next 5 days, we are not expecting any withdrawal. But on 19th and 20th, we are expecting development of an anticyclonic circulation over northwest India, and it is being watched. Coming to the extended range forecast for week 1, we have western disturbance approaching towards the Indian region. Then there is a well-marked low pressure area over the northwest Madhya Pradesh. And because of the interaction of this WML with the approaching western disturbance, we are expecting the well-marked low pressure area to move northeastwards towards East Uttar Pradesh, and we are also expecting a cyclonic circulation over north and adjoining central Bay of Bengal around 18th of September. And under the influence of these systems, we are expecting enhanced rainfall activity over Madhya Pradesh, Uttarakhand, Uttar Pradesh, Haryana, East Rajasthan, Saurashtra, Kutch, and Vidarbha, Nagaland, Manipur, Mizoram, and Tripura, and also over East, Central, and North Bay of Bengal during week 1. This is the extended range map from coupled forecast system version 2 of IMD. And this also indicates normal rainfall over the entire country except over the West Rajasthan and some parts of Gujarat. And the map on the right hand side is the anomaly map, and you can see positive anomaly is expected during week 1 over the north and the central Bay of Bengal, over the Uttar Pradesh region, and also over the Ghat areas and over Maharashtra and adjoining Saurashtra and Kutch region. During week 2, if you see this map, country as a whole is expected to have normal rainfall, and positive anomaly regions are expected over the northwest India and over some parts of central India. And we are expecting that there will be interaction of western disturbance with the monsoonal winds, and under the influence of these two systems, there will be scattered to fairly widespread rainfall over northwest India, excluding Rajasthan, during most parts of the week. And we are also expecting isolated heavy rainfall over western Himalayan region, excluding during some days of the week. Rainfall activity is likely to be near normal over rest parts of the country. So we request you to download various apps launched by India Meteorological Department. Mausam app, Damini app for lightning, and Meghdoot app for agromet advisory services. You are also requested to follow the advisories issued by India Meteorological Department regularly on the Mausam website, mausam.imd.gov.in. Thank you.